and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you another Nadine West shipment that just arrived, as well as the one prior to this one. Since I didn't do a full video on that one, I thought I'd at least share what I had got in that one and kept too. So Nadine West is like having the mall come to you. It's like feels very VIP. Since you get to try on the items and see how easily they fit into your existing wardrobe, which you don't get to do that at the mall. Anything you don't want, you get to return, but as long as it's by the specific date on the packing slip inside, using the same pink shiny envelope and return label that's inside. And you pay only for the items that you want to keep. The initial shipping is charged ahead of time, but it's applied as a credit to your purchase. So that's really cool. And they also have a really great discount reward program too. So, okay, cool. Let's see what they sent. Oh, that's probably loud. Like Christmas all over again and again. And my birthday, which just passed, by the way, everyone. Don't ask how old I am. Okay, cool. So I got like 2 little bundles of pink fun. So here's that packing slip that I was talking about, and the date will be somewhere right around in here. Okay, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, of course, earrings. They send earrings every time. Oh, these are actually kind of cute too. They're little tassels. Ooh. Cute. Okay. First is this very thin material. It's like a little very lightweight cardigan. White. I don't know, I don't do so good with white all the time. Cute though, very lightweight. It's almost not there. Ooh. I don't know about this shirt. Yeah, we'll try it on, but this is not really my style. I'll show you guys better in a minute. Oh, I can tell I like this one already, I think. Yeah, it's cute. It's got a little sequence pocket on it, little shirt top, tank top. Good. Spring and summer coming. Is this another shirt? I might have to think about this one. I can always use another of these because they can be a little like jacket kind of thing and a tank top under it, or just the regular shirt. And I like the blue. Ooh, these are colorful. Some more bottoms, leggings, and way bright. Definitely spring and summer, and this could be good workout pants too. Let's go try these on.
We are ready to go, it's about to get wicked. I take a ride for a spin, buckle up, I'm addicted.
So the outfits, the first top I tried on, the brown one, yeah, it just wasn't, it's not me at all. So that one's definitely going back. I like the little earrings and stuff. I'm still debating that kind of plaid button up, the blue and white one. But I did like the last outfit that I tried on, this one with the colorful, ooh, let's see if I can stretch more. The colorful tights, leggings that match my hair. Anyhow, so I probably will keep this one. Let's see, I'm still deciding because no, I think I will. The soft leggings, they're like the star ones, they're really soft. I like that. And the black top with the little sequins, it's cool. And then this is lightweight, it's perfect for spring and summer too, when it's a little bit cooler, but it's not at all like really heavy, it's just enough. Okay, oh wait, but don't go anywhere. I have my other shipment from last time that I want to show you too. And these are really cute. I kept the whole shipment actually, so. I got some cute little earrings from it. If I can get them apart. I like them, they're very vintagey. And then there was a little lightweight sweater, stripes, like black and white stripes, with little patches on the elbows. And then also some like burgundy wine colored tights or leggings, and they're really soft and fleecy inside. And a dress is my favorite one, so comfy. I've worn this already a couple times. And it's got these pockets right here too, so it's like a little hoodie without the hoodie. So okay, let me go try these on and show you guys.
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic. And we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. Baby, you got me.
If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button and consider subscribing for more fashion DIY unboxing videos. Oh, and you'll be the first to know when I post new videos if you click the bell button next to the subscription button too. Right. Have you tried Nadine West? Let me know in the comments about your experience and how it's going. Alright, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time and next video. Have an awesome day and night.